Hello everyone, I am Khizr Jawad, instructor for the course British History from the Restoration to the Present, History 207 on Tuesday, Thursday, 3:30 to 4:45 p.m. In E140. This course introduces students to the basic themes and ideas in British history from the restoration of the monarchy in 1662, 1991, or rather we could connect it to the present situation. The end of Baroness Thatcher's term as Prime Minister. This course covers all the major events, themes, and ideas in British history during the period and assesses the situate the development of Britain internally and internationally. So we will enjoy the course and get to learn a lot of new things in this amazing course. See you in the classes.